Hello and welcome to the Presero training series. In this lesson, we will be covering the functionality available under Tools, Proofs that allows for sending a standalone proof for approval by a client. We will begin by logging into the Presero admin with the information provided to you. In order to locate the proofs, you would need to go to Tools and the third option that says Proofs. This proof is just a file included with an email message that gives the receiver the ability to confirm that the proof is approved. This functionality is not directly tied to the orders on the Presero storefront, so is a means of sending a standalone file and message for the approval to a client. If you need to have proofs and approvals on the items through orders on the site, that can be enabled on the Presero storefront through the products, site user setting, and also enabling setting on the specific eDoc Builder template being used by the products. Please note that if the site you set for FTP and proofs in preferences general settings is a B2B site, the user must have an account on that site and log in order to respond to the proof. It is always recommended that you do not set this to a B2B site unless you want users to be required to have an account and log in order to respond to the proofs. Let's see how you can create a new proof. Click on the Add New button. Fill the fields as prompted and upload the file that you would like the recipient to download and review. The very first is the proof name. This is a required field. Enter a name for the proof. Your customer will see this name. So I will just name it as training proof. Upload the file you want your customer to download and review. Information. Optional text that you want your customer to see. For example, please review the final proof. The correction on the page 3 has been completed. This field is blank and optional, so I'm going to leave it as blank for now. Who should it be sent to? The site name. This is optional. Use this drop-down list as a way to search for customers that may be included in your storefronts. If the proof is for a customer not set up in any of your store, leave it blank. When you select a storefront in the site name drop-down, the email and the recipient name will all populate for that site. Then select either the person email or their name. If you don't click a selection, whatever you type is used when send proof is clicked. Once you're done with filling the fields, click on Send Proof. The process to approve a proof. The recipient is notified by an email that contains a link to download and view the proof. They are also provided a link to respond to the proof, which brings them to the site you specified in Preferences General Settings, site for FTP and proof. So if I click here, on this page, I can download and view my proof and also approve or reject the proof. So if I click on approve, you can provide some feedback and click on approve. While awaiting approval, the proof area will display a waiting status for the response. Once you have approved, if you just refresh it, the proof status will change to approved. Please note, for the proofing system to work, make sure you have a proofing location in Preferences General Settings, site for FTP and proofs. This is the site that the recipient will approve or not approve the proof. Thank you for watching this video.